Over the past 7 years of persistent conflict, the Army and National Guard's Infantry Brigade Combat Teams have borne the brunt of this nation's warfighting. Our Army has adjusted its modernization effort to provide key cutting-edge capabilities to soldiers in all the Army's 73 Brigade Combat Teams. The Army Brigade Combat Team modernization strategy will build a versatile mix of mobile, networked brigade combat teams that will leverage mobility, protection, information, and precision fires to conduct effective operations across the spectrum of conflict. Key to modernizing the Army's brigade combat teams is to empower soldiers with increased intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, and lethality capabilities. Starting with the Infantry Brigade Combat Teams first, soldiers of all of the Army's brigade combat teams will receive incremental enhancements that will provide much-needed networked ISR capabilities. With the Network Integration Kit, the Small Unmanned Ground Vehicle, the Class 1 Block 0 Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, the Tactical and Urban Unattended Ground Sensors, and the Non-Line-of-Sight Launch System, early IBCT capability packages will provide enhanced situational awareness and force protection and lethality through the use of unattended and attended sensors and munitions.
The UUG stands for Urban Unmanned Ground Sensor. What it allows us to do is, as soon as we get done clearing a building or a room or anything of that sort, we're going to place these sensors so that we ain't got to leave a man in that room to watch out a window or watch a doorway or anything like that. So it frees up more men for us to utilize.
By fielding capabilities in alignment with the way BCTs are structured and trained, the Army is ensuring that our soldiers have the right capabilities to fight effectively as a system in the environments they are facing.
The SUGV is basically a robot with a head attached to an arm. It's very durable. I could throw it in windows, throw it downstairs, throw it over walls. When it lands, we bring it to life, basically, and we let it run and be our eyes so that it could go inside of buildings, inside of dark places, and tell us exactly what it sees.
Capability packages are key to building a versatile mix of mobile, networked, and combat-effective brigade combat teams. By accelerating proven solutions, these packages will upgrade our units every few years. The best capabilities available at the time will go to the soldiers who need them the most, based on the continually evolving combat environment.
When I was in Iraq last time, we didn't have equipment like this, and it was hard to see what we was getting ourselves into, and then when we was entering and clearing houses. With this piece of equipment, it's easy for me. I can get an actual visualize and see what we're dealing with when we enter the house there.
These capability bundles will include doctrine, organization and training in conjunction with materiel to fill the highest priority shortfalls and mitigate risk for soldiers. The incremental deliveries will build upon one another as the Army continually adapts and modernizes.